Hey guys, Bowen here, and today I'm teaching you how to tow off a ramp, which is what we have here. So, let's see what it looks like first. So what you want to do is similar to my tow video, you just really want to use your wrist. Still want to spin it because you're going to have less time. Well, it depends on how you jump, you're going to have more or less time. So, you're going to use that and you watch your wrist. When you're coming up, you want to start your tail whip as you're coming off. You can do it. Other variations, I found the easiest way is to do it just as you're coming off. Then you have the most spin time. Placement, you don't want them back here. Or like way up here, you still want them centered. Still want them centered, right? And you want to really use your wrists, like concentrate on really use your wrists. Right? And as well use your feet. Swing it around. And then just practice, and you eventually can get it. So I'll demonstrate it again.